Hello. Today what I want to do is I want to share the One Tigress stove. This is a new version and a new stove that One Tigress has designed and is putting out. As you see, nice and flat, and it's made out of stainless steel. I'll leave a link where you can check it out, the specs and so on. Now, it's kind of unique in a couple different ways that I'll share with you. And also, it comes in this nice case here. Now, all these pieces like this, I'll show you how it's set up. It's nice and easy to do, but like I said, you can set it up a couple different ways. Now, I'm gonna let you try to pronounce the name for this because I'm unsure and I'll butcher the name, so I'll just let you, when you check out the description, pronounce the name yourself. So what I have here, I've got this long one, I've got a smaller one here with the One Tigress, that's the front. This one here will be the back. I've got a ashtray, and that is your airflow tray there, and another side. So what I'm going to do is going to take the back and just slide this in these slots right here, just like that. And then I'm going to put the other one in as well. Make sure that these cutouts right here are up top. So I'll just put this one in as well, just like that. And then I can put in the ashtray and also the airflow tray. Now I've got this turned upside down just because it will hold together easier. This will go in the back and then the two sides. So what I'm going to do is I'll just put that in and then close the two sides, just like that. Wanted to come closer so you can see these slots I was talking about. Now this one, same thing, I'll put this in the back. Then I have these ones for the side. So I'll open it up a little bit. I've got that actually, and got to put it down in this one. Take the next one, put it in, line these all up, and there you go. And now I just put my front on. Now you just got to line these up. There you go. Just like that. Now she's all set up. Has a feed port through here as well as here. You can see the air comes in through and is coming up through those holes through your burn plate. And then they give you two pot stands here that you can adjust and put where you want. Now I can put it in this spot here, get that lined up, or I can turn them around and put them in here. You can also move up your plates up to here so you can use alcohol stoves and so on. So to feed your firewood in here, you can either put your wood in these little holes here, these slots, or what I do a lot is I take my pot off the stove, put my wood in, and put it back on. Now what's cool about this, if you wanted to, you can take your front off and you can use these and put these on like that, and then you have this all wide open for your fire. Now the only thing is, when you do that, you don't have your pot stand, so you have to have a pot that will fit across the whole section to use it like this. So it started raining here and I let the stove burn out, but you've seen how it was working. This stove here, I'll put in some pictures of me using this another time. And this burns really efficient. It works very nice. Just wanted to share it with you all. So I want to thank you for watching. Take care. All the best.